Today we'll be looking at what's inside just a small 2.5-inch hard drive. This is an old SCSI drive, don't really have much use for it. It's 100 gigs, and this one's going to be quite easy to open up because all those normal Phillips head screws on both the front and the back. So we can fully disassemble it, hopefully. So I'm going to start with, I think the circuit board in the back. That's going to be the first thing that we take off. Just going to get a screwdriver. That one's, I think, a bit too big. So I'm just going to grab a small. Got a screwdriver, should fit, so I'm going to start by taking off the back now. Let's start this. That one's out. That one's a bit tight. It's out now. There's another one. Just under 5 more. And the last one. Okay, so the screws are all out now, so let's just see if we can take the circuit board off. Oh, there it goes. So this is what it looks like under the circuit board. Got the connectors there. We've got a few chips. Now we've got a chip from SK Hynix. Okay, so I think that's a good look at this board. So this is the side that was facing the edge, and this is the bottom of it. And this is what was underneath the circuit board in the hard drive. So it looks like it's got these pins which sort of interface with this. There's sort of holes there, which match up with that, and they go together. So there and there. There's also some contacts here which interfaces onto here. So because those parts just match up. So put that aside, move these screws over, and we'll begin working this side. So just here the back plate. Start taking these screws out as well. We also screw under there, so I have to take that label off. And so second last is just that one. Actually, let's just see if it's under here. That one there. Okay, so now I've taken out all the screws but the one under the label. And it doesn't seem like it wants to come off at all, so we probably won't need to get rid of it. Well, let's get a screwdriver and see if I can use this to remove it. Actually, the label's off. Hopefully it's not too tight and I can just unscrew it. I'll go back to getting out the screwdriver and see if I can maybe pry it off, unless there is actually another screw under here. That's one, I don't think so, because it's lined up with here. So I'll put it under here and try. It could also just be glued on. It's trying to move. So try it all along here. This looks like when I was trying to pry that off before, I was being a circuit board or something after it was inside it as well. It was from this side, but it's still stuck. what to do unless there's a screw under here or something. Nope. So it looks like, you see the pattern? Like, can't pull this off. I'll give another go this time. Pulling. Well, it looks like it's come off most of the way. Except it does look like it is stopping right there, actually, that is. And so I think maybe because it is stopping right there and pulling it off, there might actually be a screw under there. So that after all, because I might have been wrong about when I said it, I didn't think there was a screw there. I'm just going to pull this off to check. There was a screw there after all. Yeah, definitely. Tight, so I think I'll try balance this still screwed on. And then it's back a bit. Looks like I did touch the ladders with my fingers. I'll try and do that before because there's like a wet fingerprint inside the drive. Okay, so here's the ladders outside the wheel, very shiny. And you can see that like smudging the bottom. That's where my finger touched it. Does it move? It's on the top now. So that like smudged there, it's moving. There's nothing really on here. Not sure what this is. Because that's directly under the cover hole, so it must be important for something. Maybe it's just like a thing that can expand and contract based on like pressure and the physical part to stop the dust or whatever getting in it. And including the drive. These parts are just magnets. And then here's the arm that moves across the disc. Disc in this case looks like two platters. And then obviously here's the platter and it spins. And it looks like we've got some controls of some sort here. And that's what was screwed, the top part screwed down like this. And this plastic part there is just to keep the ends of these apart because they're got magnets, and if there wasn't naps in there they would get stuck together. And obviously that wouldn't be very good for the drive. So that's it for this video about what's in a 2.5 inch Fujitsu hard drive. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And that's it for this video.